Hey guys, so in this episode, Joe and I are just continuing our walk around the city. On episodes like this, I'll let you know ahead of time. It's it's really just us walking, and occasionally we interact with people. We see something happen, we go, "Hey, check this out," and I comment on it. I say what I think is funny, but I really wanted to capture my favorite thing to do, which is to walk around a place. When I visit a new city, when I visit a new environment, the first thing I want to do is I want to walk. I'm a walker, big time walker here, giant walker here. I love a good walk. And I feel like one of the best ways to get an idea or a feel of a place is just to stroll. Just stroll around it. Occasionally someone interacts with you, you get something to say, you feel the energy of a place, you see how people interact with one another, you look at the architecture. It gives you a lot of understanding about a place, and that's just kind of what I wanted to capture here was what does it literally feel like to walk around the city of Cartagena, Colombia. And, we walk the streets, we check out the wall, and this was me brand new to filming, brand new. So I didn't have a stabilizer yet. This was filmed with an iPhone. Once we got to Santa Marta and we headed into Lost City, my brother gave me his GoPro, and things got a lot smoother from there on out. If anything was too jumpy, I apologize. Anything that I thought was too jumpy, I just cut out in its entirety. I just got rid of it. At this point, I did have a older GoPro that I occasionally used. I used that on like New Year's Eve, and a lot of that, I say about 90% of it, I just cut out because I couldn't. The audio quality wasn't there, the video quality wasn't there. I wasn't happy with it, so I said, fuck it, and it is what it is. And so I just wanted to capture what I could, show it to you guys, and thanks again, man, for being on my page, and I hope you enjoy what you see and like watching it. Peace. Coming up to Brazil, baby. That hand looks like it has a vagina in it. It's a hell of a way to beat off. This one's fucking awesome. No gracias. No gracias. No, thank you. No, I'm good. Head down here and take a left. He was telling me I had the white coffee. See, that's the place we gotta eat at, man. Let's get some ceviche. This was a place I was telling you about that has all the seafood stores. So we gotta come back and eat. Colombia is famous for its soups. That spot right there, Joe, seems to be the soup place. We want to grab some soups.
All soup right now.
No, I'm not saying now. I'm saying before we leave. It's
Soup isn't known for here. Soup is from Medellin.
Oh, really? All right. So, Joey with the info. I was gonna say, man, it's that would make more sense, man. Medellin's colder. It's oh, good fucking call with Joey. Somebody got the fucking Dukes. So they have like a special tourist police that seem to exist just in this area to kind of keep things quiet. There's a lot of hostels down here. want to make it to the walls. It's time for sunset. Dude, this street is a fucking party spot, huh? Oh, what up, dude? This guy's got the same idea, man. Nice nap. Nice nap in the middle of the street. Look at this. We got 2 of us and motorbikes going by. He ain't bothered by nothing. He ain't bothered by nothing, dude. I need to protect my chill the way this guy does. I'm so amazed at the amount of people rocking masks, because it is... Dude, rocking a mask is tough and annoying already, but rocking a mask is a lot tougher when you're in this fucking 90-degree heat. I apologize for the jump onto the camera. I've been keeping it close to me because so I'm not waving around in the middle of the fucking intersection, drawing more attention to myself than I already am. That I already do, just being here. So as a result, I'm not always conscious of exactly how much I'm letting my hand shake it. Hopefully after this trip I can save up some money, get something with stabilization. Because basically it was like, do I want to go to more places on the trip, or do I want to get a GoPro or one of those other things that lets me stabilize? And I'd rather the fucking experience, man. Investment will come in time.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Edgar.
I'm good, man.
Guy. I got the walking tour.
I just took one, Edgar. I appreciate it, though. Tomorrow. Gracias, Edgar.
Friday, oh, my friend, for tomorrow.
I'm good, man. Thank you. I'm too late for the beach. Happy New Year. Pedro. Yeah, man, I got these horses all lined up, man. And what location isn't complete to have a nice Hard Rock Cafe? I can't believe there isn't a fucking Senor Frogs down here. This way? I think this way to get to the wall, Joey. This guy's got dudes rapping for him down there too. The gringo with some rappers. Dude, the horses driving the horse tonight. That's like the 50th horse and buggy I've seen so far. This dude's wife is getting down, huh? Come on, before you caught up in this. Dude's definitely not a jam down here.
Calle de la Iglesia.
Oh. My bad. It's, horses don't have blinkers, so it's hard to tell which way they're going. Like a horse is just staring me in the face. Oh, fuck, that ocean breeze is beautiful. Dude, where do they keep all these horses? And why is there not, like, buckets of horse shit on the street? There should be mountains of horse shit. Like, I know they usually have those things that the horses shit in behind them, but... Oh, here we go. It's like a horse diaper, right? This guy's got a big one. Oh, it's full. This guy's been in the beefaroni. Well, I expect you to miss sometimes, right? I really want to run and jump in that water right fucking now. Very tempted, Joe. Very tempted to go swimming. I could go for a swim. I don't know why everyone says this beach is off. Like, it's got water. What else do you need? Oh, no, gracias. This tree is on caution punishment, man. This tree fucked up, growing too many limbs, dude. God, I want to fucking swim in that water. I'm gonna have to walk back to the hostel. This guy's getting ready. I hope that late at night they just have horse races, right? If they had horse carriage races, right, like the way they do in Ireland, or even like in parts of Britain, where the tinkers get together and they run their horses, and I forget what they're called, but basically horse and buggies, horse and carriages out onto the highway, and then there's a funny video you can find of some of them crashing. That's not the most tinker shit. I don't know what the fuck is. Everyone's got a cubby hole here, man. This is like the place. I wonder if this is like the place to smash. You pick up a nice girl, maybe like one of those working girl, like those two I thought might have been working girls. I don't know them. They were. Well, I was blown away. I was like, you can't be that pretty and just chilling on a corner, right? There's got to be. Someone's gonna take pictures with you. Someone's gonna do something with you. You can't be just that pretty and chilling, right? But I wonder if you take them back here, you put them in one of these, right? All gentle, like I mean romantic, not in an offensive way. And you make sweet love. Oh, this lady is the belle of the ball over here. I gotta cross, and this girl is holding up traffic on the wall. But I thought I was too thick to make my way around. Didn't want to get an accidental groping. No accidental gropes for that girl, but purposeful gropes for these two. These two were getting a good groping. And tourist area wouldn't be complete without a white dude jogging. That's the that's the dude from the coffee shop who put his peck on the table. That was him. Everyone's got a beautiful girl except this guy. This guy's taking pictures of a beautiful dog. Look at that. That's a fucking dog. I'm more interested in you, buddy, than these